Okay, welcome back. Today we'll start a new Agentforce series. So, first day we'll see a simple example how one person can come and interact with agent. So, what agent will do? So, agent will ask the user to provide the email ID and phone number, and it will check in the contact. If there is a matching email ID and phone number is found, it will say that welcome that person name. For example, in this case, let's say Michelle. So it will say welcome Michelle. Similarly, if you will provide the phone number and email here, it will say welcome Emily. Okay, so we will see that demo. So to do that, if you know Salesforce already providing developer edition org with Agentforce enabled. So what you have to do, you have to Google it saying okay, Salesforce uh, developer edition with Agentforce. Okay, so once you do that, the first link you have to click, and you will see a link from here saying that the new Salesforce developer edition now with Agentforce and Data Cloud. Okay, click on that link, provide all the necessary information, but keep in mind this should be your work email. It should not be Gmail or Yahoo Mail. Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, it will not work. It will work with a work email, means your company email address. If you are not working or if you are a student, check with any of your colleague or any of your brother, sister who is working in any organization. Take their email ID and create this account for learning purpose. Okay, so considering the time, we will move here. So first thing what we'll have to do, once the Agentforce for developer edition is enabled, you can log in. You will see an interface like this. So it is same as your developer edition, or quickly go to setup and search your Einstein. Okay, search your Einstein. Then click on Einstein Einstein setup. This menu. Okay, here Einstein setup. Then enable this first option only, turn on Einstein. Okay, you enable this option so that you will able to see the Agentforce studio, otherwise you will not able to see. Okay, once you enable, then you have to click on Agentforce 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 Studio or Agentforce Agent, this one. Okay, this section if you are not able to see, then that means some setting is not enabled. Check. I am sure that once you enable that, I turn on this setting. No, you just have to refresh your page once. Then after you will see this. Okay, if not, you can just do a chat GPT or something. What is going wrong? So we just need this option. That is where we have to do our demo. Okay, quickly I'll go there. I would request everyone to, if you like this video series, okay, please do a like, subscribe, share, and comment. If I see more people are commenting, more people are doing a like or thing, I will be getting to know that more people are interested on this topic. I will create more and more video. It will be a video series, not one day video. It will be a video series. Okay, so I need your help there. So just do a comment, like, share, so that it will get into a wider audience, because Agentforce developer is trending and it is very essential for every Salesforce developer. Okay, quickly click on Agentforce agent. So once you are there, you will see option here, new agent. Make sure this Agentforce is on over here. Okay, click on new agent. Now there are multiple types of agent you can create, but today we are going to play with case object. So we are going to create agent for service agent. Okay, so click on that. Okay, once you click, just click on next. So you can see there are multiple topics. These are topics. Topics are means the agent is related to what. Okay, it will work with case, it will work with lead or account or something like that. Okay, or it will work with a reservation system, something like that. So in this case, we are going to create a fully custom agent. So you disable all the standard topics which are already enabled. Okay, just one thing you can do, if you want, you can keep this general FAQ topic. Okay, remaining thing you can disable. Then click on next. So you just provide a name over here. Okay, I'll say my my service my service agent. Okay, just API name keep as it is automatically. Just put a description. This agent will okay. Cap lock is on, so let me disable it. So I'll say uh, this agent will help validating validating. Oh, I don't know. Still it is cap lock. Some problem. Okay, now it is fine. This agent will will work on validating a contact. Then if in open case associated with the with the contact, it will display the data. If not, it will help on creating a case. Okay, I'll I'll copy paste this thing in multiple places because see, you don't need to be provide a exact description like this. You have to provide a description which is meaningful or relevant to your agent because this agent force is going to work on NLP. NLP means natural language form. So your language or your sentence need to be related, not exact. Okay. So role I'll just copy paste the same thing. Company I'll say that my service agent. Okay. Here one thing you can provide any company information here. Okay, no problem. So you can see here it's saying new agent user. I am not going to create a new agent user. I will use a existing. If you want to create for each, let's say in this org, I am going to create three agents. One for case, one for lead, one for opportunity. Do I want to create three agent for users? No. Okay, I can manage it with one user also. Okay, so I'll not create a new. What I'll do, I'll use a existing. Okay, then I'll click on next. So now you see all the things are done. It's just saying that you can connect with data cloud. For now, I will not connect with data cloud. That section we'll do sometime later. Just for now, just create. Okay, you can see my Agentforce agent editor or studio or Agentforce builder is on. Okay, because of this general FAQ which we left as enabled, we have not disabled it. Your agent will also now work now. You just say hello, you will get a response because your general FAQ is still on. Okay, so your agent will work, but it will not work as the way you expect. Okay, that customization will do. And this is the debugging prompt. You can see what is the request you are sending, what is the response you are getting, and all those things. Okay, so what action get executed, all those things you will get. So in Agentforce, there are two things very important. One is topic. Okay, once you create a topic, then inside that topic there will be two things. One is instruction, another is action. Okay, so now first we will create a topic. Topic means based on what or this agent will do what. Okay, that is called a topic. We'll create new and we'll create a new topic and we'll provide a topic. If you remember, I have that copied. Okay, this agent will work on validating a contact. Then if an open case associated with this contact, it will display status of the open case. If not, it will help on creating a case. Okay, just click on next. It could be anything, but just just you make sure that it is in line. You see, all these things are copied from here. Handling, validating contact and managing case associated with contact, including displaying status, open case and assisting in creating new case. Scope is also there. So only thing you have to change, there are multiple instruction added automatically. You just delete all those things. Only keep one instruction. Okay. And remaining instruction will add in coming session, not today. Okay. So what we'll do, validate contact by confirming the email and phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay, validate the contact by confirming the email and phone number. Okay, uh, and here by executing action. Okay, this action will update later. Okay, just we'll click next. Here all inbuilt or standard or already created actions are available, but in this case we are going to create a new action, so we will not select anything. Okay, we will say finish. Now you see, with general FAQ one more topic is called added, contact validation and case management. This is the topic we are going to play with today. Click on that. As I told you, there are two things. One is instruction is already there here. Validate the contact by confirming the email and phone number by executing action. This one will change little bit later. Okay. Instruction. But each instruction needs to be also associated with a action. Let's say instruction I have given. But to execute that instruction, Agentforce also need a action. Need a action means, so these actions are the logics. Logics means it can be either created using a flow, it can be either created using a Apex class, it can be either created a API like that. So today the action will create using flow. Tomorrow, if some other session will do for this agent force, we will create the action using Apex class so that you will know both the things. Mostly Apex class flow all together if you do know, your agent will work. Okay. So now what we'll do, let's go back to here at the setup page and click on flow. Okay. Now click on flow. So your agent force actions are mostly auto launch flow. Okay. Click new and as I was saying, it will be a auto launch flow. So the agent will invoke it. So you select this one, auto launch flow, no trigger. Okay. Now your flow is here. So to this flow, it will accept two input. Two input means email and phone number of the contact. So our target is to take the email and phone number of a contact and display a welcome message with the name. Okay. This is our output. Name will be our output. Phone number and email will be our input. Okay. So we will create two variables here. Not here. Okay. So don't confuse with flow builder. Okay. Here, click on this icon here and click new resource and create two variables. One is your name. Sorry, not name. You say that uh, contact contact email. Okay. So data type will be text and make it as input because we are going to accept the email. Okay. Then done. Then the second one will create a new resource with a variable. We'll say contact phone contact phone number and we'll make it a text and available as input. Done. Okay. Now we have created two input variable. So what we'll do, one output variable will create variable. So we'll say this variable name is full name. Full name. Okay. So data type is text and available for output, not input, because full name we are going to display. Let's say user will provide the email and phone number. We will say welcome the name of the user. Okay, that's why it will become the output. Done. Okay, we have created. Let me check. I don't know. It's not coming here. Let me try more. Um, Text will say full name. I don't know why it is not created. So I'm trying to create it again. Available. Okay, it is saying it is available. Oh, okay, it is available. I know why it is not displaying because of this filter. Okay, just remove. So now you see three variables are there, two input variable, one output variable. So come back to your flow and do a get record here. Means the username and the phone number user provided will search whether that contact exists or not. So we say get contact. Okay. So now object is your contact and validation while you do you say email. Okay, this is the contact email equals to your variable. Variable means contact email at phone number. So when you say phone, no, it will be business phone. Okay, if you click on this I, you will see the API name is phone number only. Okay, so this is uh, contact phone. Okay, so because we want only one contact, so only select the first one, only first record. Okay, automatically store all fields, keep as it is. We are almost done. So one more thing we'll do a assignment. Okay. In this assignment, we'll say get full name. Okay. Or we'll say store. Okay. Store uh, full name. So store full name. What we'll do? Okay. Uh, okay. So here we'll say full name equals to this is your get contact. Okay. That's why it's saying get contact. Get contact dot you can say full name. Okay, now we are done. Okay, save the flow. We say contact validation flow. Okay, now keep it here and save it. Okay, now save. Okay, save. Okay, there is an error here. Let me see what is the error. Flow or persistent contact version. Okay, it's saying that with the same name it is already exist. So it's a contact validation check. Contact validation check, not flow. Okay, check. Okay, so okay, now it's getting saved because in the same org I am creating multiple times. Maybe the duplicate flow is also exist. So here one thing I can suggest you whether the get contact is available or not. Based on that, you can do a condition here also. Okay, if condition if get contact found, then store the full name, or else store blank or return a variable saying that contact not found, something like that. Okay, you can put a condition here, but considering time I am not putting it here. I am just going and activating it. So make sure your flow is active, otherwise it will not work in Agentforce builder. Okay, so now you go here, click on new, create a new action. Here you can see, as I was saying, today we are playing with flow, tomorrow maybe we are playing with Apex, API and all these things. But for today, no code approach we are going first with flow. Okay. So you can see there are two, but this was previously created. This is what we create now. Just click on that, click next, and it's saying that okay, ask the user for email and phone number to validate the contact. Okay. So now loading the text. So we'll say validating. Okay, validating. Now this email and phone number will accept from the user. Okay, I'll say accept from user. Okay. Similarly, collect from user you can see. I'll say accept from user. Okay. Now and these two are required input. Okay. Without this, we will not proceed. And one more thing I will say, in case of phone number, you know that phone number formatting, hyphen or bracket would be there, okay? If any special formatting like bracket or hyphen exists, please ignore, okay? And on the output side, let's say uh, um, greet the user with name if it is not blank or null. If null or blank, inform contact not found. Okay, then show this in conversation and you can keep it as text or you want to do it with text, your wish. Just do a finish. Okay, so we are done. We have associated action. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll copy this action name here. Okay, and go back and if you remember, we have created an instruction over here. In that, we'll add using action that particular action name. Okay, set. We are done. We'll test now. So what we'll do? We'll refresh here using the refresh icon. Okay. Now we'll say hello. Okay. Our first agent is almost ready. Hi, sir. How can I assist you today? I need to create a case. Okay. Now, once you say create a case, it get to know from the instruction, okay, you are asking about to create a case. So it is asking you the email and phone number to validate. So we will take any email or phone number, okay? So let's say David, okay? We will take this email. I can provide the email, press enter. You can provide the email and phone number at once or you can do separately. First I have provided email, so it is asking now for phone number, okay? So I will provide the phone number, okay? So you see here, our agent is working fine. It's saying, hi David Wilson, your contact detail has been validated. How can I assist you today? Okay. So how you know that it is correctly doing? You can go and check the contact. This phone number, this email we provided, the name is David Wilson. David Wilson, it is displaying in the UI. Okay. That means now your first agent is done. Even a contact validation flow is working correctly. So if your response is high, if you are doing a like, subscribe, sharing and people are commenting, okay, I'll definitely create another video using Apex to check whether the case related to this particular contact exist or not. If it exists with open case, it will show the status. Otherwise, it will create a or it will help you create a case. Okay, that will see in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Hope you will enjoy this session. Okay, you do a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like, you do a thumbs down also. Have a great day.